Gio Conti now being loaded, set, ready for racing. Racing just is started with Promise. Break quickly to start. Princess Winner is on the outside. Then comes Humble Pie. Gio Conti comes next. Is Skybird. Black Cat then followed now by Good as Gold. While Lover of All is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the express with Promise. Princess Winetta is on the outside, 4 lengths. Watching in third comes Humble Pie, Black Cat, Gio Conti, Good as Gold is Skybird, while Lover of All is still racing in last. Back to the leader with Princess Winnet by Orahead, running by the rail. Second is Promise, Humble Pie, Black Cat, Gio Conti. Then comes Good as Gold, is Skybird second last, while Lover of All is still racing in last. Last 400 meters of the race. Princess Winnet, Promise is running by the rail. Then next on the Humble Pie, Gio Conti now trying to get closer in fourth. Black Cat, Good as Gold, and they are now entering the home stretch. Princess Winnet, Promise now on the outside. Then comes Gio Conti. Promise, Gio Conti is on the outside. Promise, Gio Conti is on the outside. But still Promise, and finally Promise, Gio Conti. Then comes Humble Pie, Princess Winnet.
Let's take a look dito sa ating unofficial winner. Yan po yung numero 6, Promise, with CS Para Jr. Mas sa segundo nga yung numero 8, Gio Conti. Tercero, numero 3, Humble Pie. Numero 7, Princess Winnet. And for Pentafecta, 2 horse, Good as Gold. Let's take a look dun sa ating replay muna dito sa ating race number 7.